involve her in like the squad,
and we have my baby
instead of
here.
having a 4-man group.
So cute.
Grab 2 squad members and like carry
Now
her.
we're gonna go.
And like make it fun, be supportive. Just
Just
make it fun. That's the most important thing. I think that's what a lot of people miss. Is it doesn't matter what game you play. It matters that you make it fun and make it an experience that you look back on and say, "I want to try that again."
The puppy.
We're almost home.
Yay!
This one's a bit more interesting.
Let's go drop Uncle Clint off next, and then we'll be on our way.
Curious to hear your opinions on private
Babies!
companies being treated as infrastructure, e.g. Google, YouTube, Facebook, and should
We
they
get
be
cute
government
baby
regulated? Also, what would happen if one of them just shut down overnight? Cheers. Yeah, we're in a dangerous
She's so
place.
cute.
I mean, that's
She's such a cute puppy.
this is a problem that's been developing for a long time. I mean, I remember back in the day, I forget who it was, but I watched a really cool video about the way that U.S. telcos essentially took government money, took public money to build out a ton of infrastructure, just completely fucking didn't do it, and then just kept jacking up rates anyway for customers. Like it's... you know, at that point you go, well, hold on a second, you took public funding, are you a private company? What does that even mean? And to be clear, I don't think like private companies
Scratching me.
I think she meant not